how the factory produces fried pork chops. What ingredients are added to these pork chops? Share this with your friends who love fried pork chops. Let's take a look at how the factory produces and makes them. First, edible oil is added to the fryer for preheating. Meanwhile, workers on the other side place the pork loin into the meat slicer. After starting the equipment, the machine uses pressure to fill the meat into the outlet. Then, rotating blades. The sliced meat is then transferred to the pressing workshop via a conveyor belt. In the pressing workshop, workers lay the pieces of pork onto a meat pressing board and use a machine to compress the originally 1-inch thick meat chunks into thin, delicate slices, but also shortens the frying time. The finished product looks larger and more substantial. In the adjacent marinating workshop, workers mix flour and water evenly first. Then add a certain proportion of spices, pepper, chili powder, salt, and other seasonings to create our secret marinade. The processed meat chunks are then placed onto the conveyor belt, where they are covered in a waterfall of marinade, followed by a layer of crispy breadcrumbs. Finally, they are deep, and our fried pork chops are ready.